can see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Ah, ah, ah. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive. I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you.
Babe, why you wait till the day you leave your pack?
Me never want pack early because it will remind me when I leave.
You don't want to go again, that's true.
No, and me never have a commitment. Me tell them say me not bother go.
Yeah, but you make a commitment and today's the day.
Oh, it's not like you run me to the house. So.
Me not run you. Your boss is on the way, so you have to hurry up and pack.
Then I pack me a pack.
No, sweetheart. No packing a go so. Excuse me.
Them say me not have to pack enough things because we have to stop at different countries and we can't get things there.
I know how much you pack and how you pack. Shoes and clothes in the same section? Really, babe?
So them not go the same place?
You know why them do suitcase with section, right? This are for the shoes section and this are the clothes section.
Remember the first time I traveled them here, you know?
That's why I'm gonna help you pack. If you want more space, you have to roll your clothes.
There's so much in here for do. You see the things that was funny and more.
Man have no patience.
Can't bother with that. That come like extra work.
You're just lazy. What time when you go to Chilani?
Boss said by 6. But we're gonna have an orientation when we reach down there.
So, at tonight when you start work?
No, we're gonna start working like 2 days time.
Oh, well, you get woolly Paris then, man.
Babe, come with me now.
Karin, how me go reach back at Kingston? Remember you and your boss are leaving now?
You pay a taxi to carry you.
Waste some money that. And by the time we reach, a time for your orientation.
But at least, we can be at the back of the car for at least an hour.
I do what?
You know.
No, I don't know.
You know, with 2 people though, one time them are gonna separate for a while.
We do that last night, and we do that this morning.
I know, but you can't cut.
Where you at think? Nah, got
Alright, babes.
Just remember, say, you have a woman here and wait for you. So don't stray.
Never! You mad?
Okay. Cause I gotta have some undercover agent on the ship. I'll watch you.
Babe. Babe, what you mean? You serious?
So you think me I gonna make you work on a ship for 3 to 6 months and me no watch you?
But babe, I not gonna do nothing.
Me no care. Me nah invest so much in a relationship here and you gone out of sea, make another girl take you. That nah go happen. Carry you. Carry you. You should have seen your face. I joke me I make.
Joke? Which part?
Alright.
So you not have nobody a spy on me?
What sure. So I have time for that.
Whew. You can know you're friend of me. But I know I say enough woman jealous still.
Am I jealous? But I'm not stupid. You see me pay somebody for watch you try your job.
Me da wonder. Cause me know you don't stay them way there.
You should have seen your face though.
Me did frightened.
We see it.
Oh babe, you know say, I forgot to tell you. Somebody approached me and them tell me say they want to lease the shop.
Somebody from where?
From my workplace.
Where you tell them?
I tell them say I have to talk to you about it first.
Well, tell them you talk to me. I'ma say no.
Just so? You not even think about it?
I think about it a long time.
You know that extra income, right?
Kareem? No.
Babe! Babe, just spray it now. At least you can earn from embassy or the shop. Bin lock.
So babe, you want a stranger come here and get used to the dog so them can walk come in?
He's not a stranger.
Well, he's a stranger to me. Plus, you have to build a bathroom outside because nobody now come here and come use that one.
Of course. Would build a bathroom outside. That's not hard.
You remember my job description, right?
Alright. Yeah.
Exactly. We can't have random people come in and out of the yard.
You're right, babe. Fully understand. And it's a bad idea, so you tell them now.
Babe, listen. Me will find something else for do with the shop. You just focus on your job. And not worry about it.
Alright. Hello? Tapaya Road? Yeah, I'm ready. Babe, you done, pa?
Yeah, we finished.